Okay, so this is Christine with the Crafters Outpost, and I had dried some flowers a few days ago, and I cut every single flower off of this petunias, and it has completely, if you can see, just bloomed like even fuller than it was when I bought it. And I mean, literally overnight. I cut them right before dark, and the next morning I got up and they were completely bloomed. And they are just gorgeous. They're a gorgeous flower to use in your crafting. If you want to learn how to dry them, then you can check out my other video. And so they are just beautiful. So I will definitely cut them back again, probably in a couple of weeks, because I want to enjoy the beauty. But anyway, another tip for things to use in your junk journals. Okay, thanks for watching.